Hey there, YouTube. So, I haven't posted a video of the 68 Coupe DeVille in a while. So, I want to thank you guys. I'm over 50 subscribers finally, after a year. So, those of you that are subscribing, you need to start sharing these videos. You need to tell people about this. Keep me going. Buy some t-shirts or something. Because we're lacking funding here. But I'll show you the progress. I got the hood off. I almost got the engine out. I just got to have some help to take it out of there. I've been working on the floor, and I've got a lot of the pieces made and tacked, and I got I got some trimming to do on the tunnel today, and then hopefully I can get that to drop in there. And then I got basically the front pans on both sides left, and then fully weld everything, and then I'm going to put it in primer. I got to make a few patches underneath the rear seating area and up in that brace right there, but after that, the whole floor pan of this car will be done. I already got the trunk done, so just got to fully weld everything. Then I got to fix these little spots of rust over here on this rear quarter and the other side. And then just two little patches. Then the body will be 100% rust free. Then I'm going to lift the body up, work on the frame, get that all done, and find a motor for it, and we'll be rolling, hopefully by spring. I moved this project, to the back burner. Now it's kind of up on my priority list because I want to get it done. But yeah, I've been just cutting up all these random pieces of metal that I had left over from old projects in this file cabinet and little pieces of crap I found in the dumpster. And I've been just patching this all in here. And I think it's going to be pretty cool. I actually drew like a diagram, and it's like perfect to what I drew. So kind of, I don't know, I haven't did anything with this thing for a while, so I'm back at it out here, and hopefully the next video I'll be posting will be the car with all the rust removed. I got to fix these couple spots, and then the body will be done. And hopefully the next video you'll see this car will be in the body work phase. And the body will be coming up off the frame then. I had to do all the floor pans and everything first because there wasn't a lot of structural integrity left with all that rust. But now, with all the new pans, they're made out of 14 and 16 gauge, fully welded, TIG welded. It's going to be super solid. I mean, this thing's going to be like a unibody car, but it's going to be on a full chassis, and it's going to be heavy. I'm probably thinking, time I get done adding all this heavy gauge steel to this thing probably going to be pushing like 5,200 pounds. And I'm going to need a big motor in there. So that's also one of the next videos too. So I just want to thank everyone and stay tuned. Big things, 25-foot long things to come. Thanks.